Friday, on a holiday weekend, no less. What could possibly go wrong? Woo! Stick around, we'll find out. So I literally just turned this on, just started this, and the market just dumped freaking 40 points right there. Glad I wasn't long. Glad I was not long and a participant in that wild ride. Uh, so so let's get into the start of things, which would be Thursday night. Um, I missed my short on the Asian Open last night. And instead of chase it, which would have been death, I waited and was patient, and then went short right here with 5 contracts. Got my 10 ticks with 4 contracts. Held the fifth one and capitalized at the very bottom of this move for 240, 260, $80. I can't remember exactly what it was. 250 plus. 250 plus, which is an awesome trade for me. That is a great trade for me. And then I flipped around to my friend Gold. If you watched yesterday's video and the day before, Gold is a great crutch for me to lean on, especially if I don't feel confident in what the Nasdaq is doing, or if I don't feel like 100% um, that I have it nailed down where where the Nasdaq is going. I flipped over here to gold later in the evening, and this is 5 contracts. Got 4 off. Got another one off up here at the top. That was a dude. That made my night. That was $502 in each account. $1,004 up for the night in 2 trades. 2 trades. 2 trades up over $1,000. I wish I could do that every night. If I could do that every night, I would be a wealthy man. But that was awesome. That set the tone for today. For today. And what I mean by setting the tone for the day, I didn't really have to do much. I didn't have to do much at all, because I'd already hit my profit target. $500 is my goal for a day. There's 2 trades. Put it away for a bit. There's a third trade. That one is a short. And then things come off the rails. Things come off the rails a little bit. I get chopped into freaking pieces in this area right here. For one thing, I untethered them again. The one that I have, the account that I have the most money in, I put it away, put it aside. And then the one that I am still working on, I gave back, I don't even know, probably 5 trades right through here that just simply I got wrong, simply didn't go my way, and got blown out of them. It was painful. It sucked, because I'm just getting ripped. I get one loser, get one winner, get one loser, get one winner. It was back and forth and back and forth until I finally got it ironed out. Then that brings us to this. 594 in this account. That brings that account total to 9632. That's with taking a payout. So that account right there, if you add, so that account right there, if you add the payout to the total that is in there now, is 12,382. That is the most I have ever put in any of these accounts to date. The highest before this was 10,000 and some change. I have cracked off 12,000 now in that account. Yes, again, I've already taken a $2,700 payout out of that, but that's phenomenal. That's awesome. I am getting better. And believe it or not, um, I don't know if Apex's rule changes because I really started to trade this a little bit differently beforehand. Granted, a little bit looser than what their stop losses wanted us to be, right? And it really is when it's one single contract is where I'm a little bit looser with it. Uh, but yeah, I am trading better. Um, Cutting losses where they should be cut at really does preserve the account. It really does. Numbers don't lie. I am a firm believer in numbers paint a picture, numbers tell a story. Not only with trading, but in life and in my day job, numbers tell a story. Um, and my numbers are going up. So hopefully I can keep it going in that direction. And then in the second account, 728.32, and I absolutely refuse to go get a automated software that calculates all this stuff and puts it together. I am not paying $50 for somebody to come dump it in a spreadsheet for me. So if you don't believe me, here here is the totals. Here is the account totals. That is all legit, straight out of the Apex site. You can't this isn't a picture because you can't click like this on a picture. And that brings me to this. I cracked off 3 more 150Ks today. Pretty freaking proud of that. Not proud of that. Pretty freaking happy about that. So now on Tuesday, that will give me 5 150K accounts. And then I also started last week. Oh my God, I forget what day it was. Tuesday. I think it was Tuesday. I started 3 150K top step accounts because, quite honestly, I don't know how this is going to shake out for me. I don't know if this round of payouts for Apex is going to get approved or not. So I am coming up with a plan B. So I'd forgotten though that their 150K accounts have a $4,500 drawdown, but you're only allowed to use 3,000 of it. And in that volatility Tuesday, I got cooked. Well, yesterday I made 4,500 in them. Today I made 4,500 in them, which puts me back to basically even. And hopefully to Wednesday. Hopefully, Wednesday, I will be done with those. And I am going to trade them in the same exact manner that I have traded these. So, when I've done Top Step before, I didn't trade this way. I didn't trade, you know, 8 ticks. I didn't trade 10 ticks. I tried the Patrick Whelan style back then, right? We're chasing breakouts, we're holding for bigger targets. Screw all that. I don't need all that. All I need is my base hits because my base hits, if you look, are freaking killing it. So it'd be interesting to see if I am able to bring those into the fold and uh, and start building those because oh anyway, we'll see how it goes. So yeah, just flipping over to this chart real quick on one of these because they're all three the same basically. You can see, and that actually let me go more than $3,500. So that was a $4,100 loss on this account on day one, the 22nd, which would have been Wednesday, and then I made back $4,000 yesterday, and then I made back another 4,500 today. So I'm gonna have to trade them for 2 days because I don't think mathematically that I can get there without breaking their consistency rule. So hopefully Wednesday I will bring these online. And with that, my friends, that is all I got. I hope you all have an awesome Memorial Day weekend, and I will catch you next time. Take care.